itel A200 is a very, very affordable phone. Let's see what it can do. Good day, you beautiful people. It's been a hot second since we've checked out a budget device. And because of how crazy smartphones and smartphone prices are getting, it's about time we check out what we can get on a phone for less. In this video, we're checking out the itel A200, which is supposedly a budget king. Let's see what this phone offers, but first, let's unbox. The craziest thing you're getting with this phone, first of all, is that price tag. And with that, you're getting a 120Hz screen, IP and durability ratings, you have AI capabilities, and a 5000 mAh battery. Let's take a closer look at this phone. So this is a sleek phone. The camera bump isn't bulky, it's very minimalist, and this back feels nice and matte. The whole thing doesn't feel cheap. It feels solid and it's got a good weight to it. Up front, we get that 6.75-inch display which does 120Hz. That will give you a smooth viewing experience. On the side, you get a volume rocker and a power button, and that doubles as a fingerprint scanner. At the bottom, USB-C charging port, and we get a headphone jack on this. On the left, we get a SIM tray that houses 2 physical SIMs and a micro SD card slot. Up top, you get speakers. We got the phone in this nice comet orange, but this also comes in different colors. So first of all, that screen. It's actually a bigger screen, the better to watch your favorite videos on. It has a small notch for the selfie camera, but what's cool is that you get the dynamic bar feature, which works with different apps. There's also an always-on display capability, and the refresh rate adjusts intelligently depending on what you're doing, so you can use your battery power efficiently. Now it's a durable phone, durable enough for you every day, and it walks the talk with certifications. In terms of performance, this phone should be good for daily essentials, messaging, social media, etc. But also impressive is that it has AI. This features itel Sola AI, and you get stuff like AI Remover, AI Imaging, AI Expand, and then there's also AI Summarizer. In terms of cameras, you get a single 13-megapixel rear selfie shooter and a 5-megapixel selfie camera. And if you're asking about that second camera module on the back, according to itel, that's an auxiliary lens that helps with depth sensing. There's also an AI camo that detects scenes and adjusts your cameras. Fun shooting features like dual view window for videos and one-tap video editing are also available on the itel A200. That was our quick look at the itel A200. For a sub 5K phone, this is looking very good, very sleek, I think. And not only does it have the looks, it's also rated to be very, very durable. For me personally, the micro SD card and the headphone jack is a very, very good touch. Like, I rarely ever see those features even on flagship phones these days, and honestly, I miss them. Personally, I'm also impressed that a phone this affordable has AI features too. If you're on a tight budget and you're looking for a sleek phone that can withstand your daily grind and can do the bare essentials, you might want to check out the itel A200. That's it for today's video. Of course, it's just our first look at itel's budget phone. Let me know what you guys think. Let me know what other videos you'd want to see me test out with this phone. Comment down below. If you want to see how I use my tech on a daily basis, find me online. That's isadoes_ on Instagram, Twitter, and TikTok. Till next time.